Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you a wonderful Mutton Potli Biryani. This turned out so good. I really enjoyed it. I especially liked the flavors from the banana leaf. And the mutton was so soft and tender. We thoroughly enjoyed it. I'll be posting all the information about the mutton biryani and the ingredients used in it in the description box below this video. For this recipe, I use wonderful mutton which is boneless from Meamo meats. It is so neatly packaged and they deliver it to your doorstep. I highly recommend Meamo meats. It's 100% certified jet cut meat. What is jet cut meat? It's painless butchering and they thoroughly clean all the meat, poultry and seafood with turmeric. Do try it. Use my promo code Vidya10. Try it for yourself. You'll see the difference in the taste and flavor. Here I'll be using boneless mutton. You can see how good the mutton pieces are. I've thoroughly washed it, drained it and added it to a plate because I'm going to be marinating it. Now to the meat, I'll be adding chili powder, turmeric powder. I've used two different types of chili powder. Kashmiri chili powder, which is not so spicy, and then I've used a spicy chili powder. Now I'll be adding garlic paste, ginger paste. I've ground everything separately, and I've also added chili paste. So everything is ground separately because I don't want to mix all the flavors together. Then I've added garam masala, pepper powder. I've added whole spices now. Black cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, green cardamom, star anise. I'll be using some maize. I'm showing you everything in detail. Now once I've added all these spices, I'll be adding some secret ingredients to this now. These spices enhance the flavor and taste once you marinate them in the meat. So try it, it'll be very nice. Now I'll be adding just few drops of vinegar. Use white vinegar. I've added mustard oil. Now I'll be adding fried onion oil and fried onions. We'll add hung yogurt. There should not be any sort of moisture in the yogurt. So drain that yogurt moisture and add it because we are adding salt here. So this gives a very nice rich texture again in the masala. I've added hung yogurt. Now I'm going to mix all the ingredients, massage it in the meat and allow the meat to marinate overnight. If you don't have time to marinate it overnight, you can marinate it for 4 hours. But make sure to place it in a container and place this in the fridge in an airtight container. Once I've mixed all the ingredients in the meat, massaged it thoroughly, I've placed the meat in an airtight container and refrigerated it overnight. So the next day, I'm going to start cooking the meat. Once the meat is well marinated, I've added the meat to the pressure pan and I started to fry it on medium flame. Since the meat already contains enough oil, I have not added any oil to it. So just fry it for some time so that the masala cooks well and you get a good smell in the meat. Now whenever you're preparing any sort of meat or any dish, always use warm water. I've added warm water to the meat because I don't want to stop the cooking process. Everything should be warm. So once I've added the warm water, just stir it once, place the cover and the whistle and cook the meat for 4 to 5 whistles until it's tender. Now the meat is nice and tender, it's well cooked. You can see there is a lot of oil that is separated from the masala. Now place it on medium flame and allow all that excess moisture to completely reduce. I did taste the meat masala, it required little bit of spice. So I've added red chilli powder, which is spicier version. And I also added salt as per taste. Now we'll allow the meat to cook and the moisture to completely evaporate. The masala should form, the gravy should form. So place it on medium flame, keep stirring it and cook your meat. Here my meat is cooked well. The masala is nicely formed. I removed it from the flame and I'm going to set it aside. I did wash the basmati rice ahead of time and soaked it for 15 minutes. Now I've added water to it and I'm going to pressure cook it. Just cook your basmati rice plain. Once the rice is cooked, on a plantain leaf, I started to layer the basmati rice. Then I've added some ghee on top. I'll be placing the meat masala right in the middle. We need to finely chop and add mint, coriander and chilies on top. Now I'll cover the meat masala with the rice. This is your wish. If you want, you can use eggs in your biryani. I did place boiled eggs right in the middle and I also garnished it with some fried onions. That is totally up to you. Now I've formed the parcel and tied it with a string. Once the parcel has formed, you have to bake it. So the simplest way to bake it is on a tawa, or you can use your skillet or any pan. Place your pan on very slow flame, add a tablespoon of ghee and place the plantain parcel on the tawa and fry it for 2 minutes on each side. You have to constantly keep turning it and cover it. Here I used a bowl to cover the plantain leaf so that it cooks well. This is on very low flame. Don't place it on high flame at all. On very low flame, keep turning it, fry the plantain leaf. So for 15 minutes it's done. Once it's done, I've served it on a plate. So my mutton potli biryani is ready. I'm going to open it and show it to you. It turned out so good. The flavors from the plantain leaf was amazing. I thoroughly enjoyed the meat because of the texture, the flavor and quality. Do try Meamo meats. You'll thoroughly enjoy it. I'll post my promo code Vidya10 in the description box below this video or in the screen. Visit Meamo meats and do purchase from them and try it for yourself. My blog link, the social media handle links and all the information about Meamo meats will be in the description box below this video. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.